now, there is another news that indeed the ICC warrant of arrest is really present. And of course, as a lawyer, I have to prepare for that eventuality if ever it will finally be
But I
presented.
know you're also close to Attorney Harry Roque, so na-confirm nyo na ba sa kanya that it's true and who his source is?
Ang kanyang source is kanyang kaibigan daw based on the text message that I received from him, hindi pa ako nakatawag sa kanya. So parang second information lang din. So tanong din ako, ang confirmation din meron pero hindi ako mabigyan ng kopya. So bottom line, marites pa rin lahat.
Yeah, but you're hearing it now from two different sources.
Attorney kasi, kaya hindi siya mailabas kasi both ICC and the Interpol, ang policy nila ngayon, hindi nila ginagawang public yung mga warrant of arrest nila eh.
Yes, that's,
ICC, hindi
true.
ba?
Yes.
Idadaan siya sa Interpol, pero pareho sila ngayon hindi naglalabas para nga daw hindi makatakbo yung subject of the warrant.
Yes, under Article 87, Paragraph 3 of the Rome Statute, these matters are supposedly confidential, which brings me to another matter. Why would the Ombudsman keep on informing us this, which, you know, our healthy mind would continue to guess that there may be something here. Maybe this is something that needs to be done in order to divert the attention of the public from the ongoing flood control controversy, or perhaps to force Senator Bato to, you know, not make himself available, so that if there is another impeachment complaint against Sara Duterte, the necessary number in order to prevent the conviction of Sara Duterte would not anymore be reached.